Hello friends, in this video let us see how to create a functional global variable. As I said earlier, we have to customize and create a functional global variable. A functional global variable is a non-reentrant VI featuring a while loop that iterates once and has an uninitialized shift register. The purpose of this construction is to retain data between consecutive calls of the functional global variable. So first I am placing a while loop on the block diagram screen, and then I'm adding a shift register to this while loop. Then to the stop button of this while loop, I'm connecting an boolean true constant to make this while loop to iterate once. Then I'm placing a case structure inside this while loop. And next we have to set the cases to this case structure. So I'm choosing an enum control from ring and enum and placing it on the front panel. This enum has also got added on the block diagram screen. And now we have to create an item list. So I'm doing a right click on enum and clicking on edit items. In this enum properties window, I'm adding the items read and write, and then I'm clicking on OK. And so the item list has got added to the enum control. Then on the block diagram screen, I'm dragging and placing the enum control outer to the case structure nearer to the case selector terminal, and I'm connecting it to the case selector terminal of the case structure. And so now we can see that the cases of the case structure has changed to read and write. And then first I'm connecting the left side terminal of the shift register to the case structure, and so on the case structure a tunnel has got created. Then on the case selector label of the case structure, I am choosing read case. Then I am connecting the tunnel to the right end of the case structure, and I am connecting it to the right side terminal of the shift register. And next I am setting the case in the case selector label as write. Then I am choosing a numeric control and placing it inside the case structure and naming this numeric control as write, and I am connecting it to the right side tunnel of the case structure. Then to view the output, I am placing an indicator outer to the case structure, and I am connecting it to the right side tunnel of the case structure where we can receive the output. And then I am naming this indicator as read. Then we have to link the controls and indicator via the connector pane as we did while creating sub-VI to pass the data. So I am clicking on the left side first column, and if I click on enum, it will get linked. And I'm clicking on another column on the left side, and to link the numeric control I'm clicking on it, and I'm clicking a column on the right side, and if I click on read indicator, it will also get linked. Then we can save this VI. So while executing, since the functional global variable will stop in between each execution and again start running, the memory buffer can be cleared, and so memory issue can be solved, so CPU performance will be faster. So now I am opening the VI properties window by pressing Ctrl and I button on the keyboard. Here under categories we can see many categories. Here I am choosing execution. And under re-entrancy, by default non-re-entrant execution is chosen. So while using functional global variable, non-re-entrant execution has to be chosen so that only one memory space will get allocated. And so in functional global variable, parallel execution does not happen, only alternate execution takes places. And next I am opening a new VI. On the block diagram screen of the new VI, I am doing a right click and clicking on select a VI. And from here we can choose the functional global variable which we have created and used it in our programs. So in this video we have seen about functional global variable creation. In our next video we can see how can we use it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and support. Thank you.